Welcome, welcome. We have two new patterns that we have brought back. And the reason we're bringing them back is because they were anniversary specials and we only sold a limited amount. They were signed and dated and they did really well. However, I hear back that people don't want to mess up their anniversary special patterns that are numbered and all that stuff. So we decided to bring them back. We decided this in the beginning of the year, that come summertime we'd bring them back as a Fit to Stitch fundraiser, which is exactly what we've done. There's two patterns. One is the Soft Stream Yoga Pant, $34.25, and one is the blouse I have on, which is $4.23, Bailey's 2-in-1 blouse. And honestly, I am so glad we're bringing them back because I love this blouse. It's one of my favorite blouses, and I'd go to wear it somewhere and I couldn't wear it because somebody would ask me for the pattern or want the pattern and I didn't have it, and then they get mad at me. So anyway, we've brought them back. They're in pre-sale right now. That's why I don't have the other envelope. The other envelope is actually still being made, but if you you can find them on the Fit to Stitch site under donations, no problems. This is like an overlay, but it has a built-in tank top underneath. It's all part of the same blouse, sleeves, back, based on 600, so 600 classic blouse, same fit, but just a few little fun things to it. But then when I was in Italy and I knew we were bringing these patterns back, my brain started going funky, and I thought, oh my goodness, I could get fabrics just for this blouse. It'd all come in about the same time. And so here we have the fabrics. Okay, because one of the ways I saw this blouse in my mind was this beautiful sheer overlay over a non-sheer tank underneath. And so I had these coordinated fabrics made. You guys, these are so pretty. You know, there's an old expression, I feel like a kid in a candy store. There's nothing better than a kid in a fabric store. A fabric factory in Italy, it even gets better. So let me show you, like, this is the silk, and then this is the sheer that matches. And I think you can see there. They're just the exact same print, but one is a sheer and one is not. So the sheer could be this part, which would fold both ways. There's a little bit of difference between front and back, but it's so minor and it's sheer that you just don't really even notice it. And then the tank could be, and then the sleeves could be sheer, but the back could be not. Oh, I just get so excited. And the same with this. So we've got here, this is a sheer. And when you look at the other side, you can see that you just don't see a lot of difference. And yes, they'd be beautiful for scarves, don't get me wrong, but look at it. Are they beautiful? So anyway, the other two I picked out is in case you didn't want to do that. These two are very classic Italian. In fact, you'll probably very much recognize this. This is a very classic Italian print. Both sides could be used. One, again, is a little more subdued. This one is it's also very classic, but it's so similar front to back that it almost looks like it's two different fabrics. I mean, it's so beautiful. So this one I felt would work well also. So the other little thing you should know about silk, because you're going to be buying it and wearing it, is silk is the safest fabric you can wear, because you know what? It won't burn. Silk will not burn. It extinguishes itself. And it will not cling to your skin. It is the safest fabric to wear. So how is that for a great excuse to buy silk? The patterns are on pre-sale. If you go to fittostitch.com and go to donations, you'll see that they're under there, both the $34.25, the yoga pant, and the $4.23, the Bailey's 2-in-1 blouse. You can buy them as a set. You save a little bit, or separately, either way. 100% goes to Fit to Stitch, and you know we love and appreciate your support. And then of course the fabrics are on the Silhouette site. They went up this morning. I hope you love them. I hope you enjoy them. And I know with these fabrics, will have happy sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.